Any sport that girls can do as entertaining as men can't be respected.
Wow, you just fucking nailed it. Because even basketball, they don't do as well as men.
No one gives a shit about the WNBA. I think the championship game's tomorrow.
No
one gives a
Are you kidding?
Fuck.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not. Exactly. No one knows.
That league is about ready to go away.
Oh,
right?
yeah. Oh,
I think they're in deep trouble.
It's Nokia. They're not even like the Los Angeles or the Sacramento. It's the fucking the Church's Chicken fucking Spurs now.
Like Bad News Bears is sponsors.
Yeah, they have sponsors now. Like like
Chico's
fucking
bail bonds.
Right.
Like fucking.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, like PokerChips.com is.
Oh wow. Yeah,
you know they're because no one. And here's the thing, girls are fantastic, man. I love girls because they're girls. If you play basketball in panties and the nipple was out, or it just you fucking eat each other's pussy at the foul, I'd watch it all day long. But you're playing man shit with girl legs and bodies. You're on a fast break by yourself. All right, Cindy got the ball. And she lays it up exactly the same way she would have if someone was there in front of her. You're a girl.
Do any shit with it.
They fucking suck.
You can't take off from the foul line.
They can't jump.
Do a 360.
They can't run. Here's what they should do: lower the rims, shorten the court to the where the men's court ends at half court. That's where you put the other rim for the bitches, so it moves faster.
They did make the ball smaller for them.
Because they're girls. Stop trying to be dudes.
So
you fucking sit down and pee.